Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 12 by 12 inch canvas and a strong desire to swipe. That is a little too watery Meeden black paint. Usually an awesome canvas primer, but in this case not so much, because I was trying to get the residuals out of the bottom of a jug and I think I went past a good point of adding Floetrol and even some water. So I'm going to just quick, like a bunny, wipe off my spatula on that end of the canvas for a start. My fingers over there. And I suppose if I need some more, I can have some. I'm inclined to use some of my Anita's white metallic on the other side, but I need to have some black right at the edge. So I'll come back again in a second. And I'm thinking about letting this just become a dribble like so and like so before I add my colors. Some of that go over the side, some of it go over this side, and then throw a little more black in there. I wonder if this bottle's better. This is an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. For those of you who are new, it is the indispensable tool in my toolbox. Matter of fact, I think I have like 4 or 5 now. I've been gifted, and I'm very grateful because it makes making videos a lot easier if I've got one of these clean and standing by. You can actually pick up a bead of paint and then squeeze the blade right into the shape that you're trying to fill. You don't even have to go the whole way and you'll succeed. If I have some unfinished edges, there's not much in the way of necessity right now that I can't. It's definitely something I can finish up later. I am going to wipe off my spatula, finish filling in where the paint goes, throw that in the bucket, and get out the pink diamond. Decor Americana 24 karat gold. I might do a double layer of pink diamond. I still have some prism poured hot orchid left. I've been using white instead of black, so I'm really curious as to see what's going to happen. That's the Anita's white metallic with a little bit of pink added into it. This is my Decor Americana, excuse me, this is my Folk Art Purple Flash. And what am I going to put in there next? Maybe one more dose of pink diamond. I want some orange. I feel like that's kind of crazy. Maybe some hot pink. Feels like something's missing. Let's just give it a little test. I don't think a little is going to be a problem. I'm thinking dioxazine purple. Excuse me, maybe the electric blue. Let's just go for it. I'm going to go for it really seriously. This is my Venetian blue. Just let her rip. I think if I just stretch this out, I might really like it. I'm a big fan of stripes. I am going to turn that around and contemplate what I might want that I don't have. I'm going to move some paint. Over to the edges. That is just a yellow with some orange in it. And cross your fingers for me that this is going to work. I'm going to go right down the middle. I wish that paper towel wasn't curled up at the edge. I made it. I might want to leave what's above it alone. I'm going to do it on the opposite side. I love that that blue showed up. I absolutely love it. I hope I have enough paper towels left to do all this. It seems like I do. I'm going to lay that in there. Let it absorb for a second. I did it. I actually used all the colors I wanted. And I don't have a hard line because I waggled my Amsterdam Black Aussie Floetrol cell activator. And I believe I'm going to do the other side. Because there is enough cell activator. Let's see what that does. I might have made a mistake. I don't have more cell activator on this, but I know it's right there. I'll put that down. Grab another paper towel and contemplate starting over. I'll just do the in-between for right now and trust that things will work out. I kind of like the black over here, even though I acted like I didn't for a minute. I'm really tempted to grab a clean paper towel. Yes, I have another sheet. Yep, double duty. It worked. I love it. I'm going to put my paper towels down on a silicone sheet over here so that when they dry I might be able to do something with them. Or not. I think that's gorgeous. I really, 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 really like it a lot. I have a edge catcher standing by that I really did not use. strongly considering using it now. Just stretching out those cells and sort of melding the center section where the black was. I don't want to go too far, but I really like what I've got. I have to like this black over here. And I'm wondering if maybe if I take a skewer and drag some of those tendrils down, if I might be a little happier. And I might even have enough extra to go back and add a little bit. Kind of want to steal some paint right there, wherever it's heavy, without doing any damage, hopefully. Just to complete the finished look without having to tip anymore. There's my black. I'm quiet because I'm focused. I want to put the right colors in the right places. That's really cool. I love that. Thank you so much for joining me. Check out over 2,200 videos on playlists, all playlists, creative playlists by going to my YouTube channel. No, I love you. You inspire the heck out of me. Thank you for the donations that have helped keep me painting all this time. If you are somebody who can make a contribution to the studio to help me buy art supplies or keep me making video tutorials here, you will be automatically entered in the monthly drawing should you happen to use the PayPal icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. And by doing so, you'll get an invitation to join the monthly drawing. You can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video shared with you on the end screens of this video and more recent videos. Oh my god, this is awesome. I've been on a roll with the colors that I like to play with, and Halloween right at the moment is coming up, so purple and orange together are just the bomb. I'm loving the striations. I'm loving so much about this. I can't even tell you, except for I want to do something there. Just one more line. Have Society 6 is a new shop of mine on my link tree, along with Legallerist, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are there also. My Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, Appreciation Group. Look at those cells. You know what? You can't, unless I zoom in, you can't look at those cells. So I'm going to zoom in, make sure that I'm happy with everything. I could probably do that after you're gone. But I'm really, really, really pleased. This is exactly what I wanted. So pretty. Anyway, the whole point is anything that you see that I create can be added to pixels.com, Fine Art America. Spring clothing below the video has all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts. The Gallerist has all over prints with a limited number of my designs, but I have, when I finally get around to it, I'll be adding more. Should I zoom in one more time? Yeah, that's too awesome not to share. So please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for asking questions and leaving me wonderful comments to keep my morale boosted. Really appreciate you shopping my Amazon link at no added cost to you, and it helps me out. Whenever you do that, you can buy anything on Amazon starting at my link, and it's a big assistance. My email address, should you have an interest in information about taking a class with me one-on-one at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, or purchasing an artwork, my email address is easpb, the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. My paint pouring recipe and my cell activator recipe are underneath Show More when you click Show More under the video. If you need it, ask me. I've got it saved. I do torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. I use GAC 800 by Golden to make sure that I don't have my paint cracking. I'm really glad I used gold. did silver in the last one, and I thought I was going to like it, and I wasn't as thrilled as I thought. What else can I tell you guys? Wow, I might have covered it all. Holy cow. How about I love you, and you inspire me. And even if I told you that twice, it's fine. I will see you guys anon. I post 7 days a week. I've just recently changed my time from 9:30 and 10 p.m. to 1 p.m. in the afternoon. So I really appreciate your support to help me save my channel, because otherwise I think it's going to go down in flames for at least a couple months. So share, and watch longer. Watch where the notifications come out. Or just tune in at 1 p.m. You'll find me. I love you guys. See you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.